Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to disallow people to follow you on Reddit. Maybe you want to maintain a high degree of privacy and control over who can access your posts and comments on the platform. So today I'm going to show you how to disallow people to follow you on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on Settings. In this page, tap on Account Settings. Here, scroll up, and under Blocking and Permissions section, you can now see this Allow People to Follow You option. Since you wanted to disable this option, simply toggle off the switch next to it. After that, you now have successfully disallowed other users from following you on Reddit. Your profile will now be private and no one will be able to follow you on the platform. There you go. If you wanted to know how to disallow people to follow you on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to disallow people to follow you on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.